Hi, I'm Chris with Crawlspace Door Systems in Virginia Beach, and I wanted to introduce our new stacked ICC Breakaway Flood Vent. This new ICC stacked breakaway houses 4 of our ICC Breakaway Flood Vents. Each one covers 305 square feet for a total of 1,220 square feet of coverage. Just like all our other products, it has a surface mount frame and still provides access to your crawl space once installed. Here we have a popular 16 by 32 opening. Our new ICC stacked will require a 19 by 35 opening, and just like all our other products, they easily install to the correct size opening with the mounting hardware included, or you can use some construction adhesive and hardware. After your frame is installed correctly, you simply place the cover with your 4 breakaway flood vents over your frame. And you want to make sure that each one of your inserts is properly placed into its opening.